Hello, I'm Richard Gerhardt. Welcome to Body of Energy. On this video, I will be demonstrating the balanced equation tool with the balanced equation card deck. Thank you. So the basic framework of the balanced equation tool is about the number line between -9 to +9 with 0 in the middle. So the way the numbers are arranged on this tool is that they balance each other out. You have both 3s, both 4s, both 5s, and so on. Because that's what the number line does. And so it also emphasizes the principle of 2 or 3 witnesses. So in this case, it's about 2 points. So there's 2 points that point out what's going on with that particular position, that particular number. So the number 1 is about being aligned, or your pathway. The number 2 is about being whole. The number 3 is about being sure. The number 4 is about having a foundation for. The number 5 is about being centered. The number 6 is about being correct and complete. The number 7 is about triumph. The number 8 is about attaining. And the number 9 is about fulfillment or contentment. And the 0 in the middle represents enjoyment and satisfaction. So here's how the tool works. You can use the balanced equation card deck. Here's a view of the back of the cards and a view of the front of the cards. Okay, this deck is unique because each card only has words on it, or a single word. Okay, so this entire deck of 162 cards is all words. So this is how the tool is used. The person places a card over each number. So there's 19 spots. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 0 in the middle makes 19. 19 is the number that represents the number line between -9 and +9. It represents the only place on the number line where 2 sets of 9 have a number in the middle to connect them, which is 0. Okay? And so the last card goes in the middle. Okay, so this is how this tool is read. There are 2 words that represent what's necessary for alignment or to be on the right pathway. So in this case, it's about the color green and about the word goodness. Okay? Each one of these words represents a principle, an element, and they're connected words. They're progressive in nature to get to the final set of words, which is about being perfect or complete. So each point, like the number 2, what's necessary to be whole, has to do with the color black and the element of water. What is necessary to be sure has to do with being teachable and the body, and so on and so forth. So this tool is used in this manner, and both words add to the full meaning of what's going on that particular spot. And so that's how this tool is used. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and check out our additional videos. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, or visit our website at bodyofenergy19.com. Thank you.